Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetrading.system.com, making this video about Bitcoin. So let's get started. This is the chart I made in June, 12th June, weekly chart. And this is showing the Elliott wave count, 1, 2, 3, A, B, and then we're supposed to go down for wave C to finish up this wave 4. So what happened to this chart? It went down there, the price, and then from there, I started to make the daily chart here. So the same thing, but it's just that was a weekly, this one daily. So we started to bounce here from first we bounced from here, but then we came back down, right? So I said, okay, this is could be like A B C X A B C that happens, something like that, and this is what happened, right? So A, B, C, X, A, B, and then C again, and then we start to bounce, and then I had my long, and then it went all the way to the upside here. After that, I made the chart that it's going to drop here. So it did drop, then it went up, then it came back down again. So when it came back down again, I made the chart on September 7th. So let me show you that with this chart, this is the chart I made. So it went up around 61%, and then it dropped. 78%, sorry, of this drop, right? So, and then it dropped all the way to this 78% of this rise. So I made the chart that we're going to go to the upside to this TL on this, maybe this area here, or these lows here, 67.75, 66.66, or 61.87. These are lows, and this is these are a couple of big numbers, right? So what happened to this chart so far? You can see this what happened. So we went up there and we are dealing with these numbers 60666 and just below of 60187. Let me show you the live chart. And this is Bitcoin weekly. That's what happened. It just rise here, right? So, but let me show you the daily chart. This is what happened. So it is all the way here, and I moved the TL from this week to this week, and now you can see that it kind of like a touching and then dropping, right? So it touched the TL and then drop below this 61%. If you pull the fib from here to here, exactly 61%, and it is posting like a doji, dragonfly doji, or like a shooting star, big wick to the top. That is kind of a reversal candle. So the downside, bearish reversal candle, right? So if that is going to stop, this move to the upside, then usually what happens is that from 61% it goes back to 23% line. So that's what I'm expecting. Be ready as long as we stay below 60187. Remember, as long as it must stay below. If it goes up, then it can go easily to 61,841 or 62,821, right? But if we stay below this number and start to drop, then we have a chance. We open the door for 23% line. So we're going to be dropping, and then I will take the short, right? Don't get me wrong. The last time somebody says, aha, your analysis failed. No, it's like that if then, right? If you go above this, I will see, but maybe at this point, I'm not interested going long. I already had a nice trade going to the upside, just one, not too many. I missed the Thursday or Friday move. I was doing something else, very busy. But let me show you something else very interesting quickly. That this is the chart. Um, you can see this is a weekly chart, right? Let me show you the live chart actually. This is a weekly chart. That's what it's doing, right? But let me show you another chart, and you will be surprised at how similar they look like, right? The other chart is this. You see that? It is doing that. The 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. It started to go like this, and that's exactly what Bitcoin is doing right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then starting to go to the upside. But this is Bitcoin, and the one chart that I show you, it's gold. Now, gold, this one, it is doing this in December, and now it is already way to the upside. So that means that somehow Bitcoin is following the gold. Okay. Now, gold, where the heck gold is? Gold is right now here. See, it started to go up and then went up and came down and all the way here. That was my target, and we already hit the target. Right? I made the gold video before, and then I'll make it again separate. But that's what I'm saying. That how come this Bitcoin what has to do with this gold? But they are making almost the identical chart. It's just that gold is ahead of Bitcoin, and Bitcoin is following the gold chart. It's some kind of correlation going on. So it will be if you pay attention, it will be very easy to trade Bitcoin based on the track of the gold. If you track the gold chart and then you see that what's happening even in a smaller time frame, it will help a lot, because weekly chart is almost the same, right? Somehow, I don't know what the correlation is, but they are very, very same. So anyway, the bottom line is that this is the chart that we have to pay attention to. This is a 4-hour chart, by the way. I made the chart when it was bouncing from here. So it went all the way to this area, 6066 and 60187. So I think that we might be able to drop to this area, or either this number or these couple of these numbers, or 23% line before going to the upside. Let's see what happens, and just trade accordingly. And if you, whatever the system you use, and if you want my system gave me an entry. Let me show you the only trade going to the upside Bitcoin. After I made the chart on the 7th. On the 9th, I found this big move from bearish to boom, it went up. This entry, I got my year, took the entry, and then all the way here from 56,097 to 57,747. So that's what I got on 9th, and then 10th, and 11, 12. I miss. Actually, I was looking the other way. Something else. I couldn't trade gold and I couldn't trade Bitcoin. So I was helping out, trying to help my son with his new, signal service or whatever. So he's, a little nervous there. So I have to give him support or something, right? So yeah, I'm trying to fix that thing for him. And yeah, but more to come, no problem, right? Gold is all the way to the top, so I'm expecting a drop there, as well as I'm expecting the drop in Bitcoin from that area that I just showed you right there, right? So the key number to watch is 60,187. We must stay below. Then we can go back to 56,100, or maybe 58,420, maybe more than that, right? 56,552 actually. So these are the couple of numbers that I have in sight going down if we stay below 60,187. All right. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful, wonderful weekend. And if you like what you saw, you want to be a part of it, then go on my website here, creativetradingsystem.com. You have a few very good things there. One-on-one, and then Elliott wave course, a harmonic pattern course. You see, if you know all of these mumbo jumbo, like I said, that I had made this chart that's going to go up from here to here. So I mean, it's a pretty big move on a daily chart, right? So you can make tons of pippage here. But it's all depend on Elliott wave mumbo jumbo, and then Fibonacci mumbo jumbo, right? So once you learn, everything becomes easy. Right. So I have, one-on-one, lifetime, this, that on my website. To go there, creativetradingsystem.com, and see which one is good for you, which option, and then take that. Right. So this is it for now. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel so you can get these videos on time. Like I said, be aware, this number down to this number. This number, from this number to this number, very much possibility, big possibility, right? So I'll be looking forward for that, and then maybe I'll get chance this week. Then I will trade this week. My main charts are this trading charts. See, it was a beautiful setup here to go long, but I just missed it from here, and then this all the way. And it's up. See, all this chart, these beautiful entries. From here it was completely flat, and then again entry, 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 and I wasn't available. Anyway, no problem. You miss some, you gain some. Don't big deal. So bye for now, and talk to you guys later. Have a very, very wonderful weekend.